Hi guys, this is Divya here from Articulture. So today in this video I'm going to show you a mixed media panel with a scrapbook inside it. So you can see here I have made a scrapbook uh, in the center and I have done a mixed media work around it. I have taken a canvas board basically which you can mount on wall, and then I have taken some mount board here and I have done a vintage look to it, and then I have attached my album to it. So here is my cover page making process. I have taken some elements here from the element sheet of this paperback. This the Classic Gentleman paperback from Itsy Bitsy, and I have fussy cut all my elements here, and then I'm arranging them according to my choice. So I have created a small pocket here, and then I'm using extra elements here like threads and rack cloths, and I'm trying to give it a different look. So here I have made a small pocket, and then to the next side I'm putting all the clocks and mechanical elements and giving them a 3D effect by putting a double-sided foam tape on the back side of it. So it's your choice, however you want you can arrange this. So this is how I complete my cover page here, and then I'm making a shaker card here which I'm going to place on my cover page. This is a transparent shaker card. I have taken a OHP sheet or acetate sheet here, and then I have put a tacky tape to it, a red tacky tape on both the sheets, and then I have created a small pocket like by attaching both of them, and then I'm putting all my shaker elements like golden sparkles and some transparent beads and some sequins, and I'm making a shaker tag here. Then I'm attaching my paperback cutout which I have cut in tag shape, and then covering it from all the sides. And then later on I'll be attaching some string to it, and I'm also putting some small sentiments. These are very small sentiments, miniature sentiments, which is in the cover page of the paperback. So I have fussy cut it. So here I'm quickly showing you how I have attached my cover page to the album cover page, and then I have made spine to my album, and then here I'm making my 3 pages and creating a pocket out of it. So here I have taken 3 pages in this album. That means you get around 6 sides to do extra work. So in the further video I'm going to show you what all things I have done. So here I am quickly showing you like how I have attached it, and I have given a secret pocket on the top of the album. My secret inserts will come from the above upper portion of the album. So I have used different mediums here to stick this, like Fevicol, tacky glue, glossy acid, and whatever glue I have. So here are my secret pocket inserts, which for which I am putting some holders so that I can easily pull it out. So I'm using your Rest My Craft corner punch, which helps me to easily curve off all my corners. So to cut all my sheets in proper size, I have used here Rest My Craft big size trimmer, which is excellent, and I have also used Rest My Craft scoreboard here to score all my sheets, so I could do my work very fast. Generally, if you use only your cutting mat, your cutters and scale, you could do this project for I think it will take you around 1 week or 2 weeks, but due to all these items it took me only 4 days. So you can see here I have attached some chipboards. You can see I have attached some magnet to my canvas board, and here I'm showing you or here we are going through my album, like how it looks from inside. I have completed my album here. I have attached a velcro in the starting, and then you can see one by one my page. So I have given here pocket inserts, then I have given here photo mat, then I have given one secret insert here. The measurement of my album is 8.5 inches by 5 inches, and then there is a shaker frame, photo frame here, and then again a secret pocket, and then this is an envelope like something, and then you have so many tags inside it, and then when you open it you have again two more photo mats here. So you can put around 28 to 30 photos inside this, and you can write around 17 to 20 messages inside this, or sentiments inside this. So here you can see the waterfall one and the envelope one. So you can put as many pictures you want inside the envelope, and you close it like this, and then you take your canvas board and stick it on top of it. So I have given a magnet behind the album as well as on the canvas board, so whenever somebody comes you can just take it out, show it, and put it back. So this is what I have made, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy and you will watch it, and all the materials used in this photo will be linked down in the description box. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe. Bye.